eResult software solutions are extremely versatile and tailored on every single business. The Omniaplace platform is successfully employed in many fields. In management, with personalized applications in the insurance field, and specific purpose implementations for big companies to optimize information flows in their business administration. With Omniaplace, solutions have been developed in healthcare and social care, for patient management and monitoring. Omniaplace supports industry. Specific configuration have been created for logistics, production, and Industry 4.0, along with software for lab management and for tracing of materials and products. Omniaplace is used even in agriculture and food business, with personalized applications ranging from farm management to product traceability. Today, we are ready for you and for your needs, whatever they are. Omniaplace, you can count on it.